Okay, I'm back. The little break between part 5 and this, which is now part 6, was a little longer. I kind of switched things around and said I want it to look for this username field, and then if it is there, that's fine. But if it's not there, go ahead and sign out, and that worked. So instead of looking if I'm signed in, it's now looking for if I'm signed out. So if I'm signed out, it can sign me in, and if I'm signed in, it'll sign me out so that I can sign in, if that makes sense. Also, it was not finding the question, which is super important. So I tried to fix this selector. If I click this UI Explorer, it's got this green validate check mark, which means that it sees this element on the screen right here. So if I go back to this, I can click highlight and it pops up with that element. So again, I'm not sure it'll work this time, but I'm kind of, again, glad that everyone's seeing how there's some trial and error involved here. And now that I'm on part 6, I kind of see, like, now that I know how far away I was from the right answer at the beginning, I know that I'm a lot closer now. So I'm going to just go ahead and give this another run. All right, so I'm signed in. It sees that I'm signed in, and there it goes. It signs me out. Awesome. Now it's going to sign me in. It's going to navigate to the correct activity. Conversion from string at to type integer is not valid. Okay, that is true. You cannot turn at into an integer. So for some reason, what I built, it took the at and tried to convert it to an integer instead of the number. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a log message so that it shows me what the string is that it's getting from the question, and then I can more accurately split it into the part I want. So I'll be back.